former FCT minister, Nasir El-Rufai, said it yesterday that APC, like the president was kind of destabilizing other political parties.
Hold on. I don't want to go into that. That's El-Rufai's view. Are
you an agent?
Is entitled. Do I look like somebody who will be an agent? Is there anything I do? I don't do publicly. Is there anything? Now, sort of, don't cut to what I say because I know where you're headed. Henneken Lebobri, the Minister of Petroleum, brought him with David Lyon. Yeah. This governor, he was kneeling down. I said, no, don't do that. You're the governor, don't do that. Today, you go and call a meeting, South Zone, in your house. Minister of Health will not be there. The Zonal Committee will not be there. Senators will not be there. National Assembly will not be there. Is there a politics is played? Something you can still achieve if you have the tax. Something you can achieve. Now you go and cause problem. Now, look at how they are. The Congress have been here. That's why I say, when you cause problem for yourself, you go and blame other people. Look at stupid. You call them stupid. I say stupid. Yes, they are. What would they do?
You're on national TV.
Wow, what is that?
Excellency, you're on national TV.
When you don't have credibility.
You're on national television, Excellency.
I am the one who invited you here.
Yes.
So I'm not unaware of that. I invited you, so I know.
Just the choice of language, Excellency.
I didn't call your name. I said NWC. I never called your name. You must understand that. When they come to arise, do you say so?
We do.
You don't.
We do.
You don't. We do that. Now let me tell you. You wrote a letter to INEC. To INEC. On the 20th. You submitted the letter. On Monday, 20th was Friday. 23rd was the day of the Congress. You wrote a letter to INEC, purported letter. And then you submitted the letter on Monday. After the Congress had taken place. You are not telling INEC, we have postponed Congress that have taken place. That's why I say that was stupidity. Congress on Saturday. You wrote a letter to INEC on 20th. Submitted the letter on Monday. Okay, tell me who's is that not? Tell me.
I need to quickly.
Secondly, you now go. God gave ahead. Go ahead. You now say you are forming caretaker. You are the one killing party. And I've said this severally. Why are you killing our party? Am I the one who said you should go and do this? Do you require an agent that a governor or governors will not know how to play the tact, how to be tactful to achieve the result? Which senator in a meeting where governors are seated, take for example, where governors are seated, I said, look, gentlemen, you see what we have thought about. They will always give you. They will always. But you don't go and say you're a lord. No. If it was not challenged, that's what we would say when I was governor with anybody. If you do things the right way, achieve your result, who will challenge you? But if you don't do it, people will challenge you. And that's what's happening today.
Your Excellency, your party has just 2 years to get itself together for another round of general elections. It seems to me as if the center doesn't seem to be holding at all from both the local and the national.
Yes, see why it will not hold now. Instead of them to think of how to do opposition. Every governor, I've never seen it now. Let them challenge me. I will tell them one by one. The role you are playing. The role you are playing.
Working against the party.
I will tell them one by one. I will tell them one by one.
But that's what Rufai was saying.
No. I said, challenge that. Listen, I don't know the school you went to. Listen very well. So that has nothing to do with what Rufai said. I said, I will tell them one by one. The role they are playing, not me. I don't need to play that kind of role. For Christ's sake. Look at what's happening today on the National Assembly. The Court of Appeal gave status quo ante-bellum. What is status quo ante-bellum? Before the hostility started. Go back to where you are. They went, organized themselves, and said, oh, okay, you know that illegality to the highest order. And I was watching a governor came to my house. I said, you're a lawyer. Is that what you are taught in law school? I can't believe this. interest. And all these shenanigans they are doing, somebody will fight it. And when you fight it, you become an agent. How would I become an agent? Look, that's why I tell you, people don't have character. How did Bala Mohammed use us? Bala Mohammed was having problem with Atiku and Co. He was having problem. He came to me. In fact, that day, I was going to commission the lounge at the airport. When he landed, I said, "Oh, there's no need coming into town, since I'm coming to the airport." Brother Adoke, the former Attorney General, was there. But I was one. Unknown to him, I was laughing. I said, "Look, Atiku will kill him if Atiku wins. That we must support Aswaju." I laughed. That's okay. Now, we now organize G5 to go and pay Bala a visit in Bauchi, not knowing that he was using us to settle with Atiku. So when we went there, he was happy. The next day, Tamboa, Sudalamide, all of them led a team to go and see Bala. And Bala abandoned us. Now reconciled. Now, I see, these are the things I say. Look, there are positions you occupy. You must be a man of character. I don't need to go to any malam, any priest, any bishop to pray for me to have character.
But with
as
all
it
this
is today,
will you remain in the PDP with all these frustrations? Will you still stay?
What do you mean by remaining?
In the
Because there are
party?
talks that yourself and some of your aides, including in the FCT here,
Yeah,
are about moving to the
so,
APC,
so what is that?
including my brother, Senator Philip Atuda.
So what is that? What is that? So if I move to, let me tell you, if I will move to APC, I will tell you what I'm moving. You see, I don't run away from fight. I don't run away. I'm not going to leave this party. See, the governors have the money, but they are not doing it well. Are they even spending the money on the party? They are not. Look at any good governor. He wants to be leader of the Southeast. I agree with that. But as a leader too, you play the game. You will make sacrifice. Today, in Anambra, no PDP, nobody collected form to run as governor of Anambra. I'm a governor. Look at Enugu State. Look at Anambra. You cannot bring somebody in Anambra to run an election. And you tell me you're a leader of PDP service.
All right, we don't have
all you're interested in the zonal congress, zonal rubbish.
We don't have